Hey friends, who's hungry? Everyone is familiar with traditional sweet potato casserole topped with marshmallows, but have you ever had a savory casserole? This version, with Italian sausage, sage, thyme, and Swiss cheese, brings a whole new flavor to this popular holiday side dish. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Poke holes in 4 to 5 large sweet potatoes, then bake the potatoes in the oven for about 1 hour until they are tender. Remove the potatoes from the oven and set them aside to cool. Next, we need to slice 1 whole leek. Leeks are in the same family as onions and garlic. Slice off the end with the root, then make another cut right before where the stem starts to turn dark green and it branches out into leaves. Cut the stem lengthwise. Dirt and sand can get trapped in between these layers, so you'll want to run these under cool water first. Then slice the leeks into 1/4-inch pieces and set them aside for later. Cook 1 pound of Italian sausage in a large skillet over medium heat. Break up the sausage into bite-sized pieces and cook until it's no longer pink. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the sausage to a paper towel-lined plate, then drain the grease from the skillet and return it to the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet. Once the butter has melted, add the chopped leeks, 1/2 teaspoon of ground sage, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Cook the leeks until they start to turn golden brown and become tender, about 10 minutes. Once the potatoes are cool enough to handle, remove the skins and transfer the insides to a large mixing bowl. Mash the potatoes with a fork, potato masher, or electric mixer. Add the sausage, leeks, and 3/4 cup of sour cream. Stir until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Season the sweet potato casserole with salt and pepper to your preference. Spread the sweet potatoes into an even layer in a greased 9 by 13 by 2-inch casserole dish and cover the dish with foil. Bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes, then remove the foil and top with 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese. Bake for an additional 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.